guys, today I'm presenting a video on whether that person will marry you with whom you are interested in marrying. So there are four piles lying on the table in front of you, and you need to pick one pile out of these four. I want you to choose intuitively or choose by numbers or from the stone colors. Whichever color you like, you can choose any one of them. So this is rose quartz, and this is amethyst, this is obsidian, and this is blue calcite. I don't remember exactly the name of this stone, but this is red stone. Sorry, this is pink stone, but it is visible as white stone on the screen. This is amethyst, blue stone. Sorry, purple stone. This is brown stone, and this is blue stone. This is pile 1 with rose quartz or pink stone. This is pile 2 with amethyst or purple stone. This is pile 3 with brown stone or obsidian, and this is pile 4 with malachite or I don't remember the name of this stone, or blue stone or number 4. This is 4. This is number 4. So choose intuitively. I'm giving you 2-3 seconds, then we'll start your reading. This is pile 1 with pink stone. This is pile 2 with purple stone. This is pile 3 with brown stone, and this is pile 4. I hope all of you have chosen your stone and you're chosen it from number. So let's get started. I will start this reading on yes, let's start this reading. First pile. So we'll choose first pile, and let's see what is going on in your love life, whether that person will marry you whom you want to marry with, whom you are interested in marrying with. So what I'm seeing is that in the recent past you guys broke up, or this guys will suddenly go out of your life. I think he ghosted you and left you in cold, or that person blocked you, or he just walked away from your life. I don't know the reason. Maybe it is a possibility that you are asking him for commitment, for marriage, and he is not ready. That is the possibility which I'm seeing. That is why he's walked out of your life. Or it is also a possibility that there is a third party in this relationship. That is why he just walked out of your life. Or it can be third party situation does not mean that there is someone in his or her life. It is a possibility that his parents or her parents are not allowing him or her to marry you, or he is stuck in a situation where he is actually busy. It is very difficult for him to give you time and to give time to his or her career. This can also be the possibility. That person is really thinking about you. Maybe he is having anxiety or depression issues. He can't sleep well at night. He or she can't sleep well at night. He or she is stalking your social media, or it can also be your energy. Maybe you walked out of this relationship because this person is not providing you stability, not providing you commitment, and you are tired of waiting you are tired of waiting. You are waiting for him from the very long time. You are waiting for him from very long time, and you are planning a lot, thinking a lot about this relationship. You don't know what that person wants out of this relationship, whether he will marry you or not, whether he or she will marry you or not, and you just keep on waiting. You are waiting for this person to provide you commitment, to provide you stability, and you are tired of waiting. That's why you just walked out of this relationship and you ghosted that person. You stop talking to that person. You are thinking a lot about this person, whether maybe you are having anxiety issues and you are stalking his or her social media, because we are as we are checking his or her energy. So you can take it as it resonate with your situation. If it is your situation, then take it as your situation, and if it is your person energy, so please take it as your person energy. I'm reading for both of you. Let me clarify this eight of cups. Spirits, please clarify eight of cups. Yes, this is a possibility that there is a possibility that this person is really busy in his or her career. That person wants to grow in life. That person wants stability in career. That person wants to be a provider. He wants to be successful in life so that he will be able to provide you all sorts of facilities which you deserve, which you expect out of this relationship. Maybe in the past he was not giving you anything, and he never give you anything in this relationship. You are the one who's waiting, who's caring, and who's doing everything for this person, but this person is not giving you equally. And now he's realizing that his mistake. He is now focusing on her career, his or her career. He wants to be a provider. He wants to provide you all the facilities which you deserve, which you expect, and that is why he is more focused on his career. He wants to grow in his life. That is why he or she walked out of this relationship. And a King of Pentacles is also a card of husband. Maybe he wants to marry you. That is why he is more focused on his career right now and not giving you much time, and you are tired of waiting. Maybe you ask him for stability, and without saying anything, he just walked out of your life. And behind the scenes, he is working on his stability. He is working on his career. He is working on being grounded, because he wants to marry you and he wants to surprise you. This is also a possibility which I'm seeing. Maybe that person or you are younger in age. Maybe you are younger than that person, or he or she can be younger than you. It is also a possibility that maybe in the past he provided you something, but that something is not sufficient, because your expectations are high, and you are not happy with that something thing, because that something is very small. Maybe a friendship offer, maybe a small gift he has provided you, but you are not satisfied because you want commitment, you want marriage. Let's see from other cards as well. What are other cards saying? These are Keeper's card which I'm using for you. So let's see what Keeper's cards are saying for you. Maybe he's suffering from bad health, or anyone in his family suffering from bad health, and that is why he's very depressed and very conscious, and having very anxiety issues. Maybe his father or anyone from his family is in bad health because of any epidemic disease, or normally that is why he is having stress and anxiety issues. Or it is also a possibility that as I told you earlier, that this person is focused on his career. Maybe toil and labor. That means he is working hard for his stability, for his money, for taking his career to next level, for providing you that stability which you are expecting, which you deserve. And that means a lot of things is going on that person's life in that person's life. Someone is ill in his or her family, and is also focused on his career, and your expectations are very high because you want commitment. That is why that person is walked out of this relationship, because you are expecting a lot. You want marriage, you want kids, you want stability, and that person is not in a condition to provide you all these things right now, because one side he's focused on his career, and on the other side he's somebody is maybe he or she is also ill, and somebody in his or her family is ill. So that person is really having very confused, very conflicted energy towards you. So please, my suggestion to you is that please give that person some time. Maybe he'll come back to you, and then he or she will provide you that stability. As if now I'm not seeing any commitment coming from this person anytime soon. So as per your energy, you want justice in this situation, which I've seen earlier as well. You want justice in this situation. You want commitment from this person. You want something out of this relationship, and you want to marry that person. uh, it can also be a possibility that that person is a lawyer, judge, or you are in such a profession that which involves justice. um, that person can also be a Pisces, or Leo, or Libra. Let me check his or her signs as well. Maybe he's Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All the signs are here, but most prominent are Libra, Virgo, Leo, Pisces, and Aries. These are most prominent signs. So guys, what I'm seeing is that you want justice in this relationship. It is a possibility that that person is involved uh, in any career which is related to justice. Maybe he's in army, military, or he's a police officer, or he's in a profession that he's a police man, or maybe he's a justice lover person, and he don't want any sort of injustice in this relationship. That is why he's walking out of this relationship, because he don't want to hurt you. Neither he want to be in such a situation that he'll do false promises with you, and then not able to fulfill that promise. So he don't want to be in such a situation. That is why he just go out of or walk out of your life, because he know that you are expecting a lot, and he's not in a situation to provide you all these facilities at this stage. Maybe he is not that stable in his or her career. Whatever is the situation, please take whatever resonate with you. He can also be a Pisces. He's doing he's having this he's going through spiritual awakening right now, and he's thinking a lot. He's doing inner introspection. He's doing introspection right now. He's thinking that whatever he did to you is wrong or right. He want to provide you justice in this situation, strength, and you are keeping strength in this relationship. That person is also keeping strength in this relationship. But what I'm seeing is that definitely you'll get a justice, but what I'm seeing is that you will not get any marriage or any proposal for marriage anytime soon from this person, because this person is really focused on his career right now, and I'm not seeing any marriage proposal coming anytime soon. So guys, please don't take it otherwise. I'm just reading the cards, and if this situation does not resonate with you, please check other picker cards or other tarot cards on YouTube, and you can also pick another pile. Or you can watch all the four piles full video. So those who have chosen this purple stone, let's see your person's energy towards you, whether he or she will marry you or not. You are in a you are in the feeling of loss. Maybe there is you and that person is going through a breakup right now, or you just broke up with that person in the recent past, or you are in the feeling of loss because you don't know what is going on this relationship, whether this person will marry you or not. You are in hermit mode. You are thinking a lot about that person. You are planning a lot about that person. You don't know what is going on in his or her life. You don't know what that person wants out of this relationship. You are really confused. You consider that person as your world. You are waiting for that person from a very long time. Maybe you guys are in a long distance relationship, or you guys are from different caste, culture, background. That is also a situation of breakup. That is also a reason for his or for your breakup with that person. Maybe you are from different caste, culture, background. Maybe you guys are in a long distance relationship, or that person is right now is physically or mentally distant from you. You consider that person as your world. You are waiting for that person's approval or commitment, a proposal. You are in hermit mode. You are thinking a lot. You are losing hope that this person will not going to give you any sort of commitment. uh, that is why you are in the feeling of, you are in the energy of loss. But what I'm seeing is that soon you will get commitment from that person, and that person, you will end up that person as well. If you want to marry that person will also going to marry you, because he or she sees you as his or her wife, as empress, because you have all the qualities which he or she is expecting or wanting in her spouse. You are abundant, beautiful, you are sweet, you are nurturing, caring, you are from a very good background, you have all the, you are from a nice family, you are on a very nice profession, and you consist of all the qualities which he or she is expecting. If you are in the energy of if you are in the feeling of loss or any sort of depression or sadness, please come out of this situation, because that person will definitely marry you. He or she will provide you commitment. He or she will marry you because that person is also likes you. Maybe he has not expressed anything regarding this to you, because he is very slow. He wants to move slowly in this connection. He wants to move slowly and steadily in this connection with the pace of turtle. But definitely commitment is coming for you. He or she will marry you. He or she will provide you all the facilities. He or she will he or she sees you as his or her spouse. And that person also wants kids with you, family with you, family like where you guys have children, where you guys have kids. So congratulations guys, your reading is very positive. Let's see what other cards are saying regarding your person's energy. Definitely guys, see, as I've told you, this person is distant, is in a distant horizon. Maybe you guys are in a long distance relationship, or you guys are from different caste culture background, or it is also a possibility that this person is physically or mentally distant from you right now. Maybe he when he was a child, he has been through a lot. He faced a lot of responsibilities, a lot of uh, he did a lot of sacrifices in his life, and the reason for his being distant and not committing to you till date is because he is more focused on his career. He wants to marry you when he or she is ready, when he or she is able to provide you all the facilities. That is why he is moving slow in this relationship. But big changes are coming in your life. This situation will change, and this person will provide you commitment, courtship, and this person will provide you house, or will make house with you, where your parents where his parents, you and him will he whether you he want house where you are whether where his parents or his or her parents, and his or her spouse and children will live. So definitely changes are coming, and this if there is a stalemate situation in your relationship, definitely this person will go for courtship with you, and you guys will create a beautiful house in future. Changes and happy changes are coming for you guys. And maybe he or she will propose you, or any sort of marriage proposal is coming from that person to you. Definitely this person will take action towards you, because chariot is a card of action. That person, if that person is slow in this relationship, definitely this relationship will move faster. This person will take the faster action towards you. That person will move in a fast moving pace in this relationship, because you guys are it is a possibility that you guys are in twin flame connection or soulmate connection. You guys really love each other. It is a possibility that the person you are dealing with can be a Gemini or Pisces. Wheel of Fortune is turning in your favor, and you will definitely get commitment from this person. This person will also marry you, and soon you will get a commitment or a marriage proposal or engagement proposal from this person. If not marriage proposal, definitely this person will take this relationship to a next level and will commit to you. Maybe you are dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, because Pisces is very strong in here. Amethyst is also a stone of Pisceans, and maybe that there is a fire sign. There is a fire sign in his birth chart. There is a strong fire sign, fire energy in his birth chart. He can be a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. So almost all signs are there except that no, Gemini is also here. Almost all signs are here. So guys, congratulations to you, and definitely you will get a commitment from your person soon, and maybe that person is taking will take this relationship to a next level. Let's see what is going on in pile 3's life. Those who have chosen this stone, this brown stone, let's see what is going on in your person's mind. Will he or she commit to you or not, or will marry you or not? Okay, let me arrange the cards first, because these cards are not. Okay. Okay. So this person is really guarded from you. This person maybe blocked you, ghosted you, and not even talking to you. It is a possibility that you guys are not communicating, and you are not in communication with that person because of third party situation. Let me clarify this card. Spirit and guides, please clarify Three of Swords. Maybe this guy is not committing to you, or because he's in third party situation, he's having more than two options, or he's talking to someone behind your back, or it is also a possibility that he's focused on his career, his job, his profession, and maybe his boss, his colleagues are third party situation in this relationship. That is why that person is not guarded up. He's not taking any action towards you. That person is not wearing heart on his sleeve. He's a very logical person. He's a very mature person. He think before he do anything, and he's a no BS person. He cut off those person who show him or her attitude. These readings are not gender specific, so please take whatever resonates with your situation. So that person maybe cut off you, or maybe that person blocked you because he's juggling a lot. He's confused right now because maybe he's having more than two options, two opportunities in his career, or maybe he's juggling in between you and his career, or maybe he's having more than two options. Maybe he's talking to someone else behind your back. Anything can be possible. To take whatever resonates with you, nothing personal, and I don't want to spoil your relationship, so don't take it otherwise. I'm just reading the energy of cards, I don't want to hurt anybody's sentiments. That person may be bowed out of this relationship in the past because of third party situationship. Maybe he cut you off. Maybe he cut you off. Or it is a possibility that you cut off that person because that person is guarded up. He's not. He's in third party situation, and that is why you cut off that person. You move out of this relationship because you want stability, you want commitment, you want a happy married life, you want to be his or her wife, his wife or her husband, and that person is really slow in this relationship and is not providing you any sort of commitment. You want equal give and take in this relationship, balance in this relationship. That can also be a possibility. But what I'm seeing is that as we are seeing from his perspective, whether he or she will marry you or not. In the past, maybe he walked out of this relationship, or he was in third party situationship, or he ghosted you, or he blocked you, or he was in no communication with you. But what I'm seeing is that person sees you, that person also know that you are consisting of all the qualities which he or she is looking in his or her wife. He sees you, or she's you as a very grounded person. Maybe you are on a very good post, and if in the past he's not providing you any sort of stability, then definitely he is now realizing that you are a perfect match for them. You are having all the qualities which he or she is looking for. He or she now wants equal give and take in this relationship. If this relationship was in stalemate condition in the past, definitely that person uh, will take action in this relationship, but that person is very slow. He's moving in this relationship at a very slow pace. Definitely he or she will provide you his or her cup of love to you. Equal give and take is coming to for you. Stability is maybe he's also providing you any sort of commitment or stability. Maybe he'll do any sort of new beginning with you, or restart this relationship with you if you guys broke up, or he was in third party situationship. That third party situationship was over. That guy is moved on out of this that third party situationship, and now he wants new beginning with you. He wants to offer his or her cup of love with you to you, and he wants equal give and take in this relationship. He wants to be a provider, or he sees you as his or her perfect match spouse, and you possess all the qualities which he or she is seeking for. So definitely guys, new beginning is coming for you. New start or restart of this relationship is coming for you. Commitment is coming for you. Equal give and take is coming for you. So guys, best of luck, and please let me know if any of things happen to you. And soon, these things will happen soon. Definitely, within 2-3 weeks, or within 2-3 days, or within 2-3 hours, or within 2-3 months, that person will take action towards you. Within 2 to 6 weeks, or within 2 to 6 days, or within 2 to 6 months, that person will definitely take this relationship to a next level, and commitment is coming for you. So let's see. See, definitely he or she will marry you. Definitely he or she marriage card is coming for you. Best of luck guys. Definitely you will end up marrying that guy. That person will also marry you. Great fortune is coming for you. Great fortune is coming for you. Maybe he wants to be a wealthy man, or he's a wealthy man. That is why he's arrogant and taking so much time. As we already know that he's a very logical person. He thinks before he do anything. That is why he's thinking a lot about this relationship, and maybe third party situation is his feelings, or his energy, his own thoughts can be a third party situation in this relationship. Maybe it is also a possibility that his mother can be a third party situation in this relationship. She he was he or she is mama's boy and girl, and he or she is thinking that for this relationship his mother or her mother is not will not be ready. That is why he or she is taking time. But now he realized that you are the one for them. As I've told you, maybe in the past you guys broke up, and now new beginning is coming for you. Balance is coming for you, and this is a destined connection. Angels are protecting this relationship. Maybe you guys are seeing lots of synchronicities, signs, numbers. Maybe it is a possibility that you guys are seeing 666 a lot. Yes, see. Maybe it is a possibility that you guys are seeing 6 a lot, 666 a lot, or 333 a lot. 6, 6, and 6. It is also a possibility that these days are very maybe you guys are of this age, or these days are important for you. 6, 13, 26, 3. These dates are important for you. And 24, 27, 13. 13 is coming again. Maybe 13 is very important for you. You guys met on 13, or you guys having birthday on 13, or you guys have anniversary of this relationship on 13. 7 is very important for you. Number 3, 7, sorry, 6. 6 is very important for you. Maybe you guys met on 6. Second. So so guys, this is your reading. Let's move to next file, and let's see what is what his or her person thinking about this relationship, and will he or she marry to you or not. In the past, this person is guarded from you. Let's start fourth reading, fourth pile I'm reading right now. Those who have chosen this stone, this blue stone, I'm starting is a reading right now. So maybe this person is guarded in the past. You offered him a lot. You offered, or you proposed him a lot. You offered him your cup of love lots of time, maybe 3-4 times, 5-6 times. But that person always denied your cup of love. He didn't take your affection, your cup of love. He denied this relationship because he's very guarded up. Maybe he ghosted you, he blocked you. He or she is not showing you attitude, is in no contact situationship with you, and you are having unhealthy attachment with this person. You are thinking a lot. You are highly obsessed about that person. Is a possibility that this person is having lots of options. Maybe he or she is exploring other options, or he or she wants to keep his options open. He or she wants to look around and flirt around, or maybe he or she is a player. He don't want to be committed to one person. He or she wants to explore other options. He's a male chauvinist, or it is a possibility that he's a Casanova. But you are keeping your strength in this relationship, because you consider him as your past lover, and you consider him as your soulmate, twin flame. Maybe you guys are having past life relationship, or you guys were friends in the past. Now you grew up and now you become lovers. Whatever is the situation, as we are reading his energy, so what I'm seeing is that this person, in the earlier, that person is having lots of options. That person was guarded up, but now he or she realized that you are his twin flame, you are his or her soulmate, and now this person wants victory in this relationship. Maybe angels are protecting you. See, again, 666 is very important for you. This is 6, this is 6, and this is 6. So maybe you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Gemini is very prominent, Aries is very prominent, and Pisces is very prominent in this reading. It is also a possibility that you are seeing the dreams of that person. You guys are in telepathy connection, or you are seeing repetitive numbers, dreams about that person. Whatever is your situation, please take whatever resonate with you. And it is also a possibility that you are seeing 444. So this is the energy. This person is now realizing that you are his soulmate, twin flame, and he or she now wants stability in this connection, and this guy wants victory in this relationship. This guy or this girl wants victory in this relationship. In the past, definitely he's guarded because he was feeling imprisoned in this relationship. He was feeling suffocated in this relationship because he wants to keep his her options open. He wants to flirt around. But now he realized that you are the perfect match. You are his soulmate, twin flame. Maybe that guy has told you that you are the perfect match. You are his equal half, and he now realized that he's now thinking a lot about you. He or she is thinking a lot about you. Wherever that person going, or whatever he or she is doing, 24/7 you are on that person's mind. Both of you might be wearing false masks in this relationship, or it is also a possibility that this person is wearing a false mask in this relationship, and hiding his true feelings from you, not revealing his true feelings and true current feelings from you. Maybe it is also a possibility that he is guarded because he suffered a lot. He's been through a lot. Maybe a lot of people played with his feelings. Or it is also a possibility that this guy is also having lots of responsibility. If he or she is not exploring other options, it is also a possibility that he or she is having lots of responsibilities in his work life, or maybe lots of responsibilities regarding his family, his career, his job. But now, guys, if this person never never told you that he or she likes you or love you or want to take this relationship to our next level, definitely this person will now express his or her feelings towards you. Maybe you will get a gift from that person, or he's thinking, because he or she is thinking a lot about you right now. Now see what other cards are saying. 4 cards and 5 cards are coming for you. Lots of cards for this pile from Sacred Indian Tarot cards. You guys are in separation, or you guys were in separation because of karmic situation. Maybe you guys are in karmic partners, or you guys have in past life relationship, but the relationship is very karmic between you and that person. This person is now manifesting you, doing lots of prayer for you. He or she wants you back in his or her life. If in the past that person was in hangman situation, he was not taking any action towards you, definitely you will get a judgment in this relationship, in this situation, and this person will take action towards you. Maybe you guys are in long distance relationship, or you are from different caste culture background, or if you guys are in same city, town, village, definitely you guys travel to see each other or meet each other, or you guys met online, and you guys started to start talking to each other on social media, or you are spying each other's social media, or that person consider you, or you consider that person is as his or her world. So guys, very positive energy. As of now, I'm not seeing any marriage commitment, but definitely that person will want victory in this relationship. He or she will take this relationship to a next level, but marriage is not in your on your cards right now. But victory is coming for you. Congratulations, and this relationship will ascending to a higher level. So guys, this is my analysis and this is my reading for you guys, and let's see, we guys will meet soon, and we guys will do a lot of these readings in this month. So guys, if you like my reading and if you like my work, please appreciate my work. Please share this channel with your friends, family, with your colleagues, office mates, housemates, roommates, whatever. and please help in growing this channel. This is your channel, this is not my channel, this is your channel, and you are my family. So I'm expecting this from my family, that you guys will definitely share this channel and subscribe my channel, like my channel, comment on my work, about my work, and comment about my reading and like my reading. So good night. So guys, please enjoy your Sunday. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you. Nice talking to you, and we'll meet each other in the next reading. Thank you. Bye.